I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Dumb and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat, when who's winning. It took me some time, but now I moved on. Because I realize I got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'll be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me, come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know, even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong. Because I realize I got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way.
What's good to my DT babes? It's your girl Dricka J, and I'm back with another video. As you can see, I started a little montage when I woke up this morning to start off the video, and today I'll be doing like a cleaning video, just like a chill day, eat some breakfast, because y'all know that I am not a morning person and I really don't eat breakfast. I drink orange juice sometimes, but not really. I prefer apple juice over orange juice. So I went to the store and I got me some apple juice and stuff yesterday, and I got me like a little breakfast sandwich, and I might cook me a little more eggs on the side and just eat me like a granola bar or something, and that's gonna be my breakfast. I might eat an apple. I'm trying to eat healthy and drink water. Yeah, I'm trying to eat more healthier. I'm about to get back in the gym, so stay tuned for those videos. I will be dropping videos of me in the gym working out, and bring you guys along with me on my journey. So, and what else we got planned? As y'all can see, it's the fall. Come on, it's giving fall. It's raining in Texas right now. Like, it's been so hot. I am so excited for the fall. Like, come on. My AC have been broken 2 or 3 times during the summer. I had to go like a week without AC. So it's like been hell during the summer. So baby, best believe I am ready for some warm air or some cooled air or some cold air. Whichever air. I am just so sick and tired of this heat. Like, could y'all agree? Like, this summer ate down, okay? It didn't play with nobody. Like, you couldn't wear wigs. You didn't even want to go swimming. It was so motherfucking hot. You just want to stay in the house. I know I did. Like, call me out. I'm not going to trail rides. I'm not doing none of that because it is just too hot. So, yeah, I'm gonna try to get this thing from downstairs. So I'm gonna start up in this room, and I just work myself downstairs. I'm not cleaning up the kids' room. They clean their own room. If I'm feeling generous, which I'm probably not after I do my room, my restroom, the kitchen, and the living room, I might do the dining room. I don't know. But yeah, I got me a daily board. I went to the store and I got me a board. So this what the board say. Could y'all see that? So this is my to-do list. Excuse me. So this is my to-do list. I don't know. I don't know if I got the right date on here, but anywho's what is today's date? I don't know. I don't feel like getting my phone. So today I have to make sure I edit. I got 2 videos I have to edit. No. I have 3, including this video. I have 3 videos I need to edit. And also on the agenda I had that I need to make a video, which is the video that I'm making now. Then I need to go to the store for the girls for some gel, some edge control, some stuff for their hair because they out. So, and I also need to go live because I'm doing a free giveaway today. So be checking out my page, turn your notice on so you be notified when this giveaway is coming. Like, and I'm doing makeup products. Like, that's the giveaway, makeup products for the ladies. So that is that. And they say I need to post a short today. So we're gonna try to get a short in. And also, if you can see on my boards, I got M's. M. And those N's stand for mandatory. Like, I want to try and hold myself accountable for, like, getting stuff done. Like, I be slacking and lacking, like, because I'm not, you know, like, the best when it comes to keeping my words and doing stuff that I said I was going to do. Like, because I get overwhelmed quickly and I get tired and I just be like, I'll do it later. You know, so I want to work more on that when it comes to me because I need to hold myself accountable, like, and I'm going to do that. And also, at the top, you see in the corner, did y'all see that? Yeah, right there, it's a cooking video. So, that's a might. I put might next to it because that's just something that I might do. So, this is my board. So, every day I'm going to make me a board and I'm going to see at the end of the day how much I have checked off my list. So, at the end of the day, I'm going to show y'all my board and we're going to see what all I've accomplished today. We're going to see. And I hope I can at least do at least 3. I got 4 mandatory, so let's hope we can do all 4. So let's start off. We're going to do this. We're going to do a little laundry, vacuum. My floors is pretty much clean, but I'm going to run the vacuum over it again. And y'all don't want to see this, but I'm about to show y'all anyways. Don't judge my room because it be like that sometimes. Y'all know, like, come on now. Y'all know it be like that. But anywho's, if you know, welcome to the family. Like, don't forget to subscribe. It only takes 1 second to subscribe. Y'all, please do that favor for your girl and hit that sub button and sub up, y'all. And turn that noti bell on so you be notified when I drop. Cause y'all, I'm about to get this content together. I'm telling y'all. My videos, my quality, everything is about to get better and better and better. And I'm going to do it for y'all. And I'm going to be more consistent. And that's what we're going to do. I'm working on being consistent and that's what I'm going to do. So, let's get into it. First, I'm about to clean this room. Then I'm going to make something to eat. Then after I eat, then I'll do the living room. And we're going to do it like that, like that, like that, like that. Let's get it.
be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I'm so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else but you. Nobody else made this move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. The right amount of love, right amount of trust, right amount of dick, right amount of slapping me up. Think that I'm going to fit. Right amount of rough play, right amount of talking to me. Oh, yeah, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body. My body feels that I you do know. We'll never fall out of love. Choo.
All of these niggas beat on you.
talk to you, girl. I'll share my world with you.
Hey y'all, the camera dead, but we back on now. So just stay tuned. I'm almost done. It's taking hella long, but I'm almost done. Stay tuned. I'm about to hang up the clothes and we're going to the living room.
And nothing right about them. Girl, you are it, I see. And I am who I am. And I be what I be. If you ever hit me on the 99, I'll give you a clear mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you. You gonna waste your time. Waste your time. I mean, honestly, I'm still a fan, even though it's salty. Hate to see you surrounded, but I know you happy. Hate to see you just want.
So the room is finally clean. Clean, all clean. Let's see. The dresser is clean. My vanity is clean. The floors are clean. So you guys seen the final what can I call it? Y'all seen the final look of the room. Everything is clean. I'm about to go get Jarrell from work and I gotta go get the kids, so I didn't get to do the rest or nothing. I didn't even eat or nothing. So yeah. I'm about to go get Jarrell and I'm gonna end this vlog out right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and turn your notifications on so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video, and they coming back to back, so come on y'all. Just pick Jarrell up from work, so now I'm passenger princess. But he just went in the store right quick. He went in the store and I'm just chilling. I was listening to music, but it's on my phone. So while I'm recording off my phone. While I'm recording, the music ain't playing right now, so. Hey. I can't wait till I get my teeth done. I gotta grow a better habit of drinking water and so I can get my skin back clear where it needs to be and stuff like that. But yeah, it's so pretty outside. The sun is setting. Could y'all see? The sun is setting behind me. Right there. Which is bringing me like some beautiful light. Your girl need a good wax. I need a good wax. I need a good wax. I need a good wax. Need a good wax. I need a good wax. I'm trying to let y'all see Jarrell before we pull off. If he ever come out the store. Here he come right now. Thank you. There goes Jared right there.
So,
So yeah, we about to be on our way home. Okay, you guys. I'll see you guys when we get home. We're about to play some music. And